I'm going to show you the ways to download and install Traveler's Rest on PC or laptop. So to download and play Traveler's Rest on PC, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go ahead and install Steam on your device. In my case, I happen to already install it as well as create my account. So the process is very simple. You have to go ahead and tap on the search box or type in steampower.com. It's going to take you to the official page. And here you need to go ahead and press on install Steam. When you do that, it's going to take you to this page. Here, going to select the device that you're installing on. And when you do that, the exe file is going to load up and you can go ahead and run the installation. And when you're done installing it, you have to go ahead and create your account. And when you're done creating account, go to stores, and this is going to take you to the store section. And on the search box, you need to go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for, that is Travelers Rest. When you locate the game, go ahead and press on it, and here you could go ahead and read all of these information instructions, all of that, and then you could go ahead and click on add to cart. When you do that, it's going to take you to the cart section page where you can go ahead and proceed on to the checkout method. Then click on continue to payment and you'll have successfully purchased the game. When you're done purchasing it, then you have to install it, and then you need to create your account or register for it, and you'll be able to play Traveler's Rest on PC or laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.